Welcome to this honest review of Google Drive, one of the most widely used cloud storage platforms globally. Whether you're new to cloud storage or just want a refresher on Google Drive's features, this video is a full walkthrough of what Google Drive offers and how it stacks up. First off, Google Drive is part of the Google Workspace suite and provides free cloud storage for every Google account, starting with 15 gigabytes of space. While this free storage might seem generous, it's shared across all Google services, including Gmail and Google Photos, which means you may find yourself running out of space sooner than expected if you're a heavy user. That's where paid storage options come in. Google Drive offers several storage tiers: 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and 2 terabytes as part of Google One. Prices for these plans start from a few dollars a month, with options for annual subscriptions as well. Google One comes with additional perks, such as access to Google Experts, family sharing, and extra photo editing features. However, Google Drive doesn't currently offer a lifetime option, which means you'll be paying either monthly or yearly. In terms of usability, Google Drive is highly user-friendly, with an intuitive interface accessible on any device with internet access. Uploading, sharing, and organizing files are straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. The platform also integrates smoothly with other Google services and supports real-time collaboration, a significant benefit for teams and families who want to work together on documents. Security is also a major focus for Google Drive, with options like two-factor authentication and robust encryption both in transit and at rest. This means your files are safeguarded from unauthorized access, though you should still be cautious with shared links, as they can be accessed by anyone with the link unless additional restrictions are set. One downside worth noting is that Google Drive's desktop app, now called Google Drive for Desktop, can be resource-intensive, especially if you're syncing large files. This may impact your device's performance. Also, for those looking for massive storage options, Google Drive's highest tier is limited to 2 terabytes per user unless you opt for Google Workspace Enterprise plans, which are more suitable for businesses. Buy 10 terabytes of cloud storage forever, no annual subscription at the link in the description of the video. This kind of lifetime storage is a rare find in today's market. In terms of pricing, Google Drive isn't the cheapest cloud storage solution, especially when you factor in annual costs for higher storage plans. However, its tight integration with other Google services makes it worth considering if you're already deep in the Google ecosystem. Overall, if you're looking for a straightforward and accessible cloud storage solution with great collaborative features, Google Drive is a solid choice. Just keep in mind the ongoing subscription fees and the limited lifetime storage options. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so you never miss a detailed breakdown of essential tech tools.